pasta today. So this is just 2 ingredients handmade pasta, that is durum wheat and eggs. So it's really good. And for that we have this marinara sauce. This is also authentic and Italian and it tastes amazing. These are the ingredients. We have this mozzarella, and we will just boil our pasta in a pot and then mix it with marinara's Italian pasta sauce and top it up with some cilantro and this ooey mozzarella. Check whether it's done. I think we need to get it done, like it will be done in like 3 to 4 minutes. So this is authentic Italian pasta. You're gonna eat it. Look at it.